If your Mazda displays a front radar sensor blocked warning, it means the system can't properly detect objects ahead. This radar powers important safety features like smart brake support and radar cruise control, so when it's obstructed, those systems may be temporarily disabled. The sensor uses high-frequency radar waves to track vehicles and obstacles, which makes it very precise but also sensitive to dirt, weather, and alignment issues. Important steps. 1. Park safely and inspect the front grille area, usually behind the Mazda emblem, where the radar sensor is located. 2. Gently clean the sensor surface with a soft, damp cloth to remove dirt, snow, ice, or road salt. 3. If weather conditions are extreme, allow the vehicle to warm up or dry out before driving again. 4. Turn the engine off for 5 to 10 minutes, then restart to see if the warning clears. 5. Check for available Mazda software updates during routine service visits. 6. If the warning remains, schedule professional calibration or inspection, especially after any front end repair.